Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Today I want to share by this video to show the how to repair these kind of vacuum cleaners, and I want to check it first of all and will open it if it is needed. So first of all I would like to check it with the meter, that is it working or not, or this 220 voltage are showing the continuity on this meter or not. So you can see there is no continuity. So what you have to do is that first of all you should check the fuse. Here you can see the fuse. First of all I will check it and then go further if it is okay. So let's open it. Now you can see this fuse. Okay, so let's check this fuse, whether is it working or is it blown. The fuse is okay. You can see the continuity on the meter. I hope you can see this continuity of this analog meter. So let's go further to check what's wrong with it. I have made other videos regarding repairing other home appliances and other electronic items to check and to what is the role of those electronic items. So if you have interest in electronics, how to repair these home appliances and what is the role of or function of those appliances or those devices, you can visit my channel and you can get information regarding those items. So this is the sucking machine. Here is the whole electric work, or this is the air pump or air motor which sucks the air from here and exhaust from here. So let me open it and then we will check it. So for the time being, to save your time, I will pause this video. So you can let me show you the screws of. Here is the screw. I hope you can see. Here is the screw. Similarly, this is the screw. You have to open it. So let me pause it and see you again later. Welcome back, guys, and you can see I have just opened these screws, these 4 screws, and let me open it. I hope you can see it. So first of all, let me check the coil of the motor, whether is it showing continuity on this meter or not. So keep in touch with me and you can see, I hope you can see this meter, and it is a bit difficult to handle with a single hand. You can see it is showing the continuity. So the wire is, or the motor winding, the coil is showing the continuity of this motor. And now let's see further that whether the vacuum motor is blown or its winding is okay or short or heat up. So let's go further to check it out. So I will pause this video to save you time. So guys, you can see, and I have shown you the connections of the motor, the terminals of motors. You can, I think you can see these points, these terminals. The both terminals are showing the continuity. So it means that probably this motor is working well, or it would be the fault of the wire. There is something disconnected or short circuit in this wire. Let me see further to check these wires. So I have shown you the terminals, this one and this one. You can see two wires are connected with this vacuum motor, and this motor is showing continuity. So the focus is on the wire, and I will prefer to check first of all wire, then we will see whether the motor is short or not. But the first primary observation is to check this wire. So let me pause again and let's check it out. So guys, I have seen the wire, whether is it something wrong or something awkward from the surface of this wire, but I have nothing found. So after that, I want to, there are two places which are very frequently used in every home appliances. Well, first of all, you can see this plug. Mostly plugs are disconnected with these terminals. So one of them is disconnected, I think, but I am not sure about whether is it disconnected from here or the other part is from here. So first of all, I will disconnect it from here and then check it out whether is it okay or wrong. You can see I have disconnected these wires. So let me check from here that the connection is okay with these terminals or not. I hope you can see the meter. Let me check the terminals first of all. It's okay. And the next one is this is not connected, I think. So the my guess is, the first guess is work well, and this plug is not connected with this terminal, and I will check the other wiring, the other side with the vacuum cleaner. This is the side of vacuum cleaner, and let me check it out and show you the continuity of the meter, whether this side is okay or not. There is another probability that the vacuum would be the short. That's why this terminal, this wire was burnt out, or but this is not sure. But I will check it on the series board, whether is it working properly or not. If it is short and there is no fuse, so we cannot plug it with direct volts. The series board is used for these purposes, to check the things, whether these things are short or not. Oh shit, sorry guys. My analog meter is dropped down. I think it is broken or something else, so I will check it. But check the connectivity, I will pause it again and reassemble the meter if it is working. So let's meet again. So guys, this is the fault that I have shown. This plug is disconnected with this single wire, and I have checked the other side with is connected with the vacuum cleaner, and you can see this is showing the continuity. Where is the meter? I think you cannot see. Now you can see it, that you can see the continuity of the other side, which is connected with the vacuum cleaner. So I hope the problem with this, with the plug, as you can see this, and you should change the plug, and I will check it on the series board whether is it short circuit or this motor is looking good. But we cannot say anything, because you cannot detect the shortage of these electronic things without series board on meter. You cannot check it on the meter, but it will show the continuity. So but on the other hand, the digital meter can show the readings. So this is not very easy to demonstrate these kind of electronic parts to check by the digital meter, because mostly people do not know the reading of the shortage or reading of the ohms which is used in these electronic devices. So we use the series board. So guys, this is the series board. You can see these two sockets are direct volts. When we put something here, it will turn on. You can see this vacuum cleaner is directly working. If you put in this or this socket. So these two sockets are very important. This is called series board. These two sockets are dependent with each other, as I have shown in my another video which is in my channel. If you want to make this series board, it is very easy to make it, and this is very useful device to check the short circuit things or to divide the voltage with each other. So you can see if I put this plug in this socket, it will not turn on the volt, and if I short circuit this socket, it will turn on. So it is very easy to show you. It is very easy to demonstrate the function of this series board. So guys, I changed again the other device because this electric blower or heater blower, or some people call it the room heater, I want to use this heater blower to check the vacuum cleaner, because the wattage this vacuum cleaner want more than 1000 watts, because this vacuum cleaner is, I think, 1500 watts. So this blower heater is 2000 watt. So let me check it again, and okay, you will see the difference. Now that you can see the sound of vacuum cleaner, it is working. So this is not short, or if it was short, the blower would turn on with the full flow of heat. So the voltage are now divided with each other by this series board. So let me again show you. You have seen. Now I want to show you the direct connections as I have shown you earlier. So you have seen the power of So that's all from the video, and I hope you would like the video, and you will do it by yourself if you have something wrong with your air cleaner or vacuum cleaner. So that's all from this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and visit my channel and share my videos with others. So bye bye for now. If you wait for